The story of seven princes and the map that changed the world. Welcome to the magical world of Lumeria, a land where colors were alive. Rivers shimmered like rainbows, and happiness filled every heart. Here, people believed one simple truth: good hearts keep the world bright. At the heart of Lemuria stood the Hall of Balance, and within it lived seven princes. They were not powerful but of magic. They were powerful because of who they were inside.
Big problems often begin very small.
Princess Aaron had the gift of observation. She noticed the smallest details others ignored. Because sometimes big problems begin very small.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Princess Bella believed in encouragement. Her kind words gave courage to weak hearts. She knew that one gentle sentence could change someone's whole life.
Let us listen to everyone.
Princess Zira listened before she decided. She never rushed to judge. Because fairness begins when we hear every side of the story.
Anger will not solve this.
Princess Dea ruled her emotions with calm. Even in chaos, she stayed peaceful. Her silence spoke louder than anger, and calmness turned storms into sunshine.
But why did this happen?
Princess Isha always asked questions. She never feared saying why. Because curiosity opens doors that fear keeps locked.
Thank you for helping us.
Princess Fina believed in gratitude. She thanked people for even the smallest help. And wherever she said thank you, happiness quietly followed.
I will finish what I started.
Princess Giva never walked away from her duty. She finished what she started. She knew responsibility builds trust, and trust builds a strong world. But one day, something went wrong. The colors of Lumeria began to fade. Joy disappeared, laughter grew quiet, and fear slowly entered every heart. Suddenly, a glowing map appeared in the sky. It shimmered with ancient light. The people watched in silence. What was this map trying to say? This was no ordinary map. It showed no roads, no directions, only choices. Because the future is shaped not by paths but by decisions. Princess Aaron noticed a tiny crack causing great damage. She fixed it before it grew bigger. And just like that, color returned because paying attention can prevent disaster. Princess Bella encouraged a frightened child to speak. The child found courage. The crowd found hope. And a golden path opened. Kind words created brave hearts. Princess Zira listened calmly to both sides. Anger slowly melted away. Hands shook. Peace returned. Fairness healed what force never could. Princess Dea stood calm among anger. Her peaceful heart broke the storm. The sky cleared, colors flowed again. Self-control saved the moment. Princess Isha asked the right question at the right time, and hidden answers appeared. A secret door opened because curiosity leads to truth. Princess Fina thanked everyone who helped, and suddenly flowers bloomed, joy returned, gratitude turned ordinary moments into magic. Princess Giva rebuilt the broken bridge. She didn't give up. People crossed safely. Hope returned, responsibility restored trust. The glowing map spoke one final truth. Good habits restored the world. The colors burst back brighter than ever. Lumeria was alive again. From that day on, the princes became teachers of values. Children learned kindness before skills, and Lumeria shined not with magic but with good hearts. Moral of the story: good habits shape the world. Choices are more powerful than magic. Responsibility builds trust. Kind words create color.